What's up everyone, it's Adam, and welcome back to the channel. Now I know you're always looking for that edge, that new hustle, that way to use tech to level up your life, and today, we're diving deep into the world of AI to do just that. We're talking about how to make money with artificial intelligence. Yeah, you heard that right. AI isn't just some futuristic concept anymore, it's here, it's accessible, and it's packed with potential to generate some serious income. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or completely transform your career, AI has something for you. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of earning potential, stick around because we're breaking down the easiest, most effective ways to start making money with AI today. Let's get into it. Alright, first up, let's talk content. We all know content is king in the digital age, right? Websites, blogs, social media ads, it's all driven by words, but who has the time to crank out high-quality content day in and day out? Well, that's where AI swoops in to save the day. We're talking about AI-powered writing tools like ChatGPT. These aren't just your average grammar checkers, people. These tools are built to help you generate engaging, informative, and downright compelling content in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Think about it, blog posts, articles, website copy, even those clever captions for your Instagram AI can handle it all. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding whiz to use these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly, even for the most tech-challenged individuals out there. Now let's talk business. How do you actually monetize this AI-powered writing prowess? Simple. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teeming with businesses and individuals looking for talented writers. And guess what? They don't need to know your secret weapon is AI. You offer your writing services, deliver top-notch content, and watch the cash flow in. Think about it. You could offer specialized services like crafting SEO-optimized website copy, creating engaging social media posts, or even writing entire ebooks. The possibilities are pretty much endless. And with AI by your side, you can scale your output and take on more clients, which translates to more money in your pocket. But here's the real kicker. AI writing tools are constantly learning and evolving. That means the quality of the content they generate is only going to get better over time. So, you're essentially investing in a skill that's going to become even more valuable in the future. And let's be real, in today's fast-paced digital world, who couldn't use a little extra time? That's what makes AI content creation so powerful. It frees up your time so you can focus on other aspects of your business, or, actually enjoy life outside of work. It's a win-win situation. So if you're looking for a low barrier to entry, high earning potential side hustle, AI content creation is definitely worth exploring. You can literally start making money from your laptop with just a few clicks. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Okay, so maybe writing isn't your thing. Maybe you're more of a visual person, an artist at heart. Well, guess what? AI has got you covered in the design department too. We're talking about AI-powered design tools that can help you create stunning visuals, even if you can barely draw a stick figure. I'm talking about tools like DALL-E and Mid-Journey. These platforms are like having a personal design team at your fingertips, ready to bring your wildest creative visions to life. Imagine typing in a few keywords. Let's say, abstract painting of a cat playing guitar in space. And boom, AI generates multiple, high-quality design options based on your prompt. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more profit potential. But it's not just about creating cool images. These AI design tools can be used for a wide range of purposes. Need a logo for your new business? AI can do that. Want to design unique merchandise like t-shirts or phone cases? AI's got you. How about creating eye-catching social media graphics that stop scrollers in their tracks? You guessed it, AI can handle that too. And once you've got your AI-generated designs ready to go, the monetization options are practically limitless. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for selling your digital designs or even physical products featuring your artwork. You can also offer your design services directly to businesses or individuals looking for unique visuals. The beauty of AI design is that it democratizes creativity. You don't need years of experience or expensive design software to create professional-looking visuals. AI levels the playing field, giving everyone the opportunity to express their artistic vision and potentially make some serious cash while they're at it. And just like with AI writing tools, these design platforms are constantly being updated and improved. That means the quality of the designs they generate is only going to get better and more sophisticated over time. So, not only are you learning a valuable skill, but you're also investing in a technology that's only going to become more powerful in the future. So, if you've got a creative itch you've been dying to scratch, but you thought design was out of reach, think again. AI has made it easier than ever to create amazing visuals and potentially turn your passion into a profitable side hustle, or even a full-time career. Chapter 3, Data Whisperer, AI for Business Brains. Now maybe you're thinking, okay Adam, but I'm not a writer or a designer, I'm more of a numbers person. Well, data enthusiasts, this next one's for you. In today's data-driven world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to collect, analyze, and leverage data to make informed decisions. And guess what? AI is playing a pivotal role in this data revolution. But here's the thing, most people don't even know where to begin with data analysis. It can seem intimidating, complex, and downright overwhelming. That's where you come in. By learning how to use AI-powered data analysis tools, you can position yourself as an invaluable asset to businesses of all sizes. We're talking about tools like Power BI and Google Analytics, combined with the power of AI to automate tasks, identify trends, and generate actionable insights. Think about it. You could help businesses optimize their marketing campaigns, improve customer segmentation, streamline operations, and ultimately, boost their bottom line. And the best part? You don't need to be a data scientist to do it. AI makes these tools more accessible than ever before. Now let's talk about how to turn this data wizardry into cold, hard cash. You can offer your services as a freelance data analyst on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, just like with content writing and design. You can also reach out directly to businesses, especially small to medium-sized enterprises that might not have the resources for a full-time data analyst. And here's a pro tip: specialize in a specific industry or niche. This will make you even more valuable to potential clients. For example, you could focus on e-commerce data, social media analytics, or financial modeling. The more specialized your skills, the higher your earning potential. But it's not just about freelancing. Learning AI-powered data analysis can open doors to full-time job opportunities as well. Companies across all industries are hiring data analysts, and those with AI skills are in high demand. So if you've got a knack for numbers and a desire to help businesses succeed, AI data analysis could be your ticket to a lucrative and fulfilling career. It's a field that's only going to continue to grow in the future, so now's the perfect time to get in on the action. Chapter 4. Lights, Camera, AI Action, Video Editing Evolution. Alright, for all you visual storytellers out there, this last one's gonna blow your mind. We're talking about the world of video editing, but not just any kind of video editing, AI-powered video editing. Now, video content is exploding right now. Everyone from businesses to influencers is using video to connect with their audience. But traditional video editing can be time-consuming, tedious, and require expensive software. That's where AI steps in to revolutionize the game. We're talking about AI-powered video editing tools that can automate tasks like cutting clips, adding transitions, and even generating special effects. Imagine being able to create professional-looking videos in a fraction of the time it used to take. That's the power of AI. But it's not just about speed. AI can also help you enhance your videos in ways that were previously impossible without advanced editing skills. Think about features like automatic color grading, object tracking, and even AI-powered noise reduction. These tools can take your videos from amateur to amazing with just a few clicks. Now let's talk about the money-making potential. With the demand for video content skyrocketing, businesses are willing to pay top dollar for high-quality video editing services. You can offer your services as a freelance video editor on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or you can reach out directly to businesses and individuals looking for video editing help. And here's a hot tip: specialize in a specific type of video editing, like social media videos, explainer videos, or even wedding videos. This will help you stand out from the competition and attract clients who are looking for your specific skill set. But it's not just about freelancing. AI-powered video editing skills can also open doors to full-time job opportunities at marketing agencies, production companies, and even tech companies. So, if you've got a passion for video and a desire to ride the wave of this ever-growing industry, AI-powered video editing could be your ticket to a creative and lucrative career. It's time to ditch the outdated editing methods and embrace the future of video creation with AI. Outro: the future is now level up with AI, so there you have it guys. Those are just a few of the incredible ways you can use AI to make money in 2023 and beyond. We've covered everything from writing and design to data analysis and video editing, and the best part is, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. AI is leveling the playing field, giving everyone the opportunity to tap into its power and create their own opportunities. The key is to be creative, be willing to learn and embrace the possibilities that AI has to offer. You can start your journey with AI today and take advantage of its vast opportunities. The key is to be creative and willing to learn. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. And be sure to let me know in the comments which AI money-making method you're most excited to try. AI is the future. Why not start your journey now?